Welcome to Technology channel. Today we'll be doing the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy M31, which is a successor of Samsung M30s. So let us unbox it. Here is the box piece, the branding, the look of the box, the right side, the details of the phone, Samsung Galaxy M31. Okay, so let us open the seal. So here is the phone. So we'll check out what's there inside the box. So as usual, regular manuals, user manuals, warranty card, the quick guide, the SIM ejector pin. Okay, so this is the phone. Here it is. It supports 6.4-inch AMOLED display with water drop notches on the top. The charger, you can see here it supports fast charging. And the charging adapter cable, so it's a type C cable. That's it in the box. Here is the phone. It has a 32 megapixel front camera, the secondary noise cancellation, the SIM tray, so 3.5mm audio jack, type C cable port and single speaker. On the right side we have power key and volume rockers. So let us start the device. Okay, the device is started. You can see here there are some pre-installed apps present. Let us go to the settings. We'll see about the devices. Yeah, here it is about device. Okay, yeah, so it runs on Android 10, and on top of that it has OneUI 2.0, that is a Samsung skin. So let's check out whether can we uninstall the pre-installed apps or not. Yes, there is a provision to uninstall the pre-installed apps. So let us go to the display. It has screen mode. Let us check out what are the screen modes we have. Vivid and a normal screen mode we have, and it also supports the dark mode, so which completely turns the screen to black, and adaptive brightness is also present in the phone, which is good. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and watch out this space for the complete review of the phone.